One of the best ways to enjoy your home is to give the kitchen a good facelift and remodel. It's also the best way to improve the value of your home. Welcome to Klein Home Solutions, where for over 30 years in Erie, we have given customers the best value and quality craftsmanship for their hard-earned dollar. But you don't have to believe me. Here's what customers of Klein Home Solutions have to say.
I have been looking for some time for someone who could just reface the cabinets or give me new doors. And I happened to see the Klein ad on television. I've always hated the old doors that were on the kitchen, and this was a great chance to pick out a new style door and update the kitchen at a what was going to be more reasonable than ripping everything out. We couldn't be happier with the job that Klein did. I love my kitchen.
It was everything they promised. I've entertained on 2 occasions since the project was finished, which was only a couple days ago. But the people that I've had in have been very impressed based on what they remember about the old cabinets.
Klein did our basement, and they did such a good job, dried up our basement. We were very happy with them, and when we found out that they did kitchens too, we asked them to give us an estimate on the kitchens. Everybody that I've had over has looked at it and said, wow, that really looks nice. I'm so glad I had Klein redo our kitchen. They were just amazing. If I knew somebody that had a problem with their basement or their kitchens or their bathrooms, I would definitely have them call Klein Home Solutions.
Thanks for stopping by Klein Home Solutions. Give us a call or email us for a free estimate on making your home just the way you want.
Klein Home Solutions. It's time to call Klein.